In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your password on Gmail mobile. So you have two options here. You can either use Gmail on a browser or just use the app. I think it's much easier to just use the app. So I'm going to demonstrate this using the app. So locate the app on your phone and then open it up. That's going to open up your Gmail account. You want to tap on your profile icon at the top right, and then you want to tap on manage your Google account. And then it's going to bring up this page, and then you want to scroll at the top. It's like a menu. You scroll to the right and it says security. Tap on security, and then it says signing into Google, and then you can tap on password. So now you need to verify that it's you. So you enter your old password. So I've entered my old password. I'm going to tap on next. Now you need to enter your new password twice and then click on change password. So that is how you change your password on Gmail mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.